Hey everyone, so today I am going to be swatching and reviewing the new Natasha Denona Chromium Multichrome Liquid Eyeshadows. I have two shades. I have the shade Scarab, which is a green shift, and then Ultraviolet, which is of course violet shift. So if you want to see swatches and my review, just keep watching. You guys have seen the swatches, let's talk about them. Ultraviolet is said to be a violet with a green and gold reflect. Scarab is a green with gold and blue reflex. Hi, Simon. This product is unfortunately a limited edition. I did buy this during the Sephora sale, so I did save 20% off, but these retail regularly for $28 US or $37 Canadian. They're cruelty-free as well, which is always a plus. You get 2.5 milliliters / 0.08 fluid ounces. I was super excited about these. I saw Teresa is Dead, who is one of my favorite YouTubers. I saw her talk about these and she was like, you know, they're pricey for how much you get, but they're amazing. And I honestly have to agree. These are the first multichromes that I've found that are not with a black base. I hate eyeshadows that have a black base or any sort of like makeup product with a black base. I don't like there being like darkness behind it. If I want a multichrome, I just want it to be a multichrome shade. I don't want any sort of black hue to it. So that's immediately what brought me towards these. That and also like this green shade Scarab is the most stunning color. Like I wasn't too sure if I was going to get Ultraviolet, but Scarab I definitely wanted. It's just such a beautiful green and then shifts blue. Like it's so hard to picture on camera the shift. I did like eye swatches for you guys as well, but it was still so difficult. I tried to do it in different lighting as well, but like it was just so difficult to see the actual like color shift. That being said, while I do love the product, I think they're incredibly overpriced for the amount of product you get. You literally get like half of the normal Natasha Denona liquid eyeshadows, or even like half of the Stila liquid eyeshadows, which it just baffles me how like, why would you release something that's there's so little product? I understand that Natasha Denona is a very like high-end brand, but that being said, I mean, you still could go a little bit cheaper for the amount of product you get. It just kind of bothers me a lot. Like they're gorgeous and the formula is awesome. Like they're worth it, but at the same time for the price, I don't think so. Like I would definitely, like I wish these were permanent because, you know, just wait for a sale. But I don't know, you guys, like the quality is amazing, but the price for how much you get is just, it's just bad. I used to love liquid eyeshadows. Like I have a huge collection of them, but I never use them, which is like my fault, I guess. Like I just never reach for them. But that being said, I do really think I'll get a lot of use out of Scarab. Like it's just this, like the green shift to it is just stunning. And then like you got that blue, like I just love the shade so much. I definitely can see myself using this a lot, especially like with fall and winter looks. I just wish like in person right now, it definitely looks more of a peachy gold than how it shows up on the camera, but like in certain lighting it definitely looks more green. I'm going to insert some clips of the eye swatches. The first swatches are done just one layer and then I do add a second layer later, but basically the first layer for Scarab is pretty good. There's just one spot where I kind of didn't do a good job applying. For Ultraviolet, it is a shade that you need more than one coat. It's just more of a sheer formula, which is fine, but for the lack of product you get, you really don't want to have to be dipping in more than once. Like, even for the swatches, I tried to do as small swatches as possible because I didn't want to waste any more product.
You can apply these with the wand provided, or you can put some on a brush. I just literally use the applicator provided. It's just like a flat doe foot sort of thing.
This is with my front camera. Excuse, like, my skin is bad right now, so apologies, but I wanted to see if I could, like, show you guys. This is after, I'm gonna say like 3 hours of wear now. They're staying really well. Like, I have dry and oily eyelids, really weird. But this is what they look like just in my bedroom lighting. Like, you can see that Scarab is definitely more green, but then, like, it shifts blue at the ends. And then, like, for ultraviolet, like, in this lighting, it definitely looks more of, like, a nudie violet. But then you get that, like, gold and that pink, and, like, it's just really pretty. I really like them. And in the shade as well is kind of where you can see the duochrome a little bit better. Bad quality, but it is, like, the best way to see the shift, in my opinion. I mean, I think the product is gorgeous, and I do personally really like it. The longevity of wear is good. Like, usually, because I do have creasy eyelids, usually they would, like, crease a lot, but these ones don't crease. I would recommend keeping your eyes closed until it dries. Usually it takes, like, Scarab dried a little bit faster. It took maybe, like, 50 seconds, and then ultraviolet took probably about 1.5 minutes to dry, which isn't too bad. Like, it gives you enough time to blend them out if you wanted, but I personally would just use them as a pop of color, or kind of, like, all over the lid in a cut crease or something like that. I've been having a rough time lately. The past 3 days have been pain flare-ups really bad. I like talking to you guys and being honest, but it's been rough. It was nice because I had a week and a half where I was able to do makeup every day, like twice a day, and it was so nice. But I'm back to, like, I'll be lucky if I can do my makeup, like, tomorrow. I did it, like, once this week, I think, and I'm gonna try tomorrow, but honestly, it's just been rough lately. And then I know that for those of you in the US, y'all are stressed about what's going on there, and I'm definitely here for you. So if you do need someone to talk to, feel free to reach out in a comment, or if you want to talk privately, just go to my Instagram and message me, and I'll definitely message you back. But we all gotta stick together. Like, I love this little community that we have, and it means a lot to me that you guys watch and that you guys enjoy my videos. That being said, like, these are gorgeous, but, like, I don't know if I can justify the price. Like, they are so stunning, but I don't know, you guys. Like, the quality is amazing. Like, if you can afford them, or if you like these colors a lot and can save, I'd recommend it. But, like, I definitely think, like, these multichromes aren't a new thing. Like, maybe for, like, brands at Sephora, they are kind of, but, like, indie brands have a lot of different shadows and stuff. So if you're looking for multichromes, definitely, like, do some research before you buy any, just to see the different ones out there. For me, though, it was just personally easier just to buy these since there wasn't a black base and I liked the colors, plus there was the sales. So I saved a little bit of moolah, plus Teresa's dad said they were good, so I was like, you know what, they're probably great. Let me know what you think down below of this product. Do you think that a product is worth the price as long as the quality is there, even if you get little product? I think it depends on who you are. I like it so far, so, you know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure you subscribe. Comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Go follow my Instagram, Makeup by Tasha XO, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. What are you doing? They're not toys. They're not toys. It's filming time. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi to my YouTube friends. Say hello. Chloe.
Hey. Trying to get up and like then he grabs at her and then she bites him.